Hello my friends. Today we are going to learn something fun, subtraction. Subtraction means taking away. If you have 3 candies, and you eat 1 candy, how many are left? Yes, 2 candies. We write it like this, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. The minus sign, minus, means take away. Subtraction makes numbers smaller. Let's try another example. You have 5 balloons. 1 balloon flies away into the sky. Now count what is left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Subtraction is everywhere. When you share snacks, lose a toy, or give something away, you are subtracting. You can use fingers to subtract. Show 4 fingers. Put 1 finger down. Now count, 3 fingers left. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. You can also draw pictures. Draw 3 stars. Cross out 1 star. Now count the stars left, 2. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Here is a fun trick. Start with a number and count backward. If you solve 6 minus 2, start at 6, then 5, 4. The answer is 4. Subtraction is like sharing. If you have 6 cookies and give 2 to a friend, you still have some left. Math helps us understand how many remain. Sometimes subtraction feels tricky, and that's okay. Take your time and count slowly. Use fingers, drawings, or objects to help. Remember, mistakes are okay. Every mistake makes your brain stronger and smarter. Keep practicing and don't give up. So what did we learn today? Subtraction means taking away. The minus sign tells us to subtract. And the answer shows what is left. Great job, little math stars. Keep practicing subtraction every day. Math is fun and easy when you learn step by step. See you in the next math lesson. Bye my friends.